Hello students, in our yesterday's class or the previous class we discussed about the skeletal system, human skeletal system. The human skeletal system contains almost 206 bones. In that, according to our convenience, we are going to classify two. One is axial bones, another one is appendicular bones. And in previous class we discussed the axial bones. Totally there are 8 axial bones. So that includes skull, and again skull contain facial and cranial bones, hyoid bones, then vertebral column, sternum, ribs, etc. and also ear ossicles. Together totally there are 80 axial bones. And here today we are moving on to the next one, that is appendicular bones or appendicular skeletal system. So it contains 126. Yes or no? Because 126 plus 8 is equal to 206. So that is why there are 126 bones are present in the appendicular skeletal system. And here let's discuss what are those 126 appendicular bones. We'll move one by one. First one, that appendicular skeletal system includes, that is limbs. Remember the word limbs refers to hands and legs together called as limbs, and one more is girdles. Second one is girdles. In that there are two types of girdles. One will be pectoral girdle, one more is pelvic girdle. So all together come under that is girdles. So these girdles and limbs together considered as appendicular bones. So what are those girdles and what are those limbs, and what are different bones are present in the limbs, that we'll discuss here. So in that, first and foremost we have limbs. First we have limbs. See, limbs refers to, we'll take hand. First we'll take hand. See, I'm going to consider this hand. In that, what are different bones are present. See, first we have humerus. First bone is humerus. I mean to say from here to here. This is considered as humerus bone. So here 1 plus 1 refers to one humerus bone is present in the left hand and one humerus bone present in the right hand. So that 1 plus 1. I mean, in the whole human body there are two humerus bones are present. This is one. Second one is ulna plus radius. These two are present together. So nothing but imagine imagine it is a hand. Here the first bone is considered as, this one is considered as humerus bone, and from the humerus bone again we will be having, imagine two bones are present here at this position. So in that, one will be ulna, another will be radius. So what I am trying to tell you is that each hand contain one ulna, one radius, means so total together 2 ulna plus 2 radius. Yes or no? Here one ulna, one radius, another radius. So for that reason 2 ulna, 2 radius. This is what? Second one. Next, after humerus, ulna, radius, and here we will be having carpals, also called as wrist bones. Yes, carpals. I mean to say at this position we will be having, see, gliding movement. That is considered as carpals, also called as wrist bones. So in humans there are 8 wrist bones are present at this position. So 8 plus 8 refers to here also. 8 carpals in right hand, 8 carpals in left hand. So this is one. Then we will be having carpals, metacarpals. Next we have metacarpals. Here at this position. See, this is what? Carpals, and here we will be having metacarpals. So this is what? Metacarpals again, there are 5 plus 5 means here there are 5 carpals, sorry, metacarpals, and here 5 metacarpals. Together 5 plus 5. Next we will be having carpals, metacarpals. Next one will be phalanges. So totally there are 14 plus 14 phalanges will be present. See, I can tell you people, imagine. See the folding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So totally there are 14 phalanges are present here. So just look at your, these lines. Each line contain, this gap contain one bone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So totally there are 14 phalanges are present in each hand. So right and left together 14 plus 14. So this is what the hand. Now 1 plus 1, that is 2, 2 plus 2, again 4, then 8 plus 8, 16, then 5 plus 5, 10, 14 plus 14, 28. Yes or no? Better we can write like, once again, see, 1 that is humerus, 2 ulnar radius, carpals 8, metacarpals 5, and phalanges 14, means 1, 3, 3, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 14, 30. Yes or no? 30 plus 30 is equal to altogether 60 bones. Here also you can calculate 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. Yes or no? 20, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 60. So totally there are 60 bones present in the two hands. When you consider these two hands, here you will be having 60 bones. Clear? This is what? Limbs. In one limb there is hand. Next, when we have in the limbs, second we have legs. Yes. Here we have legs. Legs. So when we compare the words, here we have humerus, nothing but humerus, and here we have the thigh bone. Refers to, sorry. Yes, first one is femur bone. Femur means thigh bone. You can call it as thigh bone. Again, 1 plus 1 refers to right and left together. So 1 plus 1 femur, and ulnar radius. Here we have fibula and tibia. Fibula, fibia plus tibia refers to together. Again 1 plus 1 means in each leg. So refers to 2 plus 2. That is fibula and tibia. Next, this is what about like ulnar radius. And here carpals means wrist bones. Likewise, in case of legs, we will be having tarsals. Yes, carpals in case of hand, tarsals in case of legs. So when we have leg like this, just imagine here we will be having one long bone. This long bone is considered as femur. Longest bone in the human body considered as femur, and here at this position you will be having two bones. Yes, they are considered as, one will be fibula, another one is tibia. And at this position considered as tarsals. There the carpals are 8. Here tarsals are 7 plus 7. Right leg 7, left leg 7. So called as tarsals. Next word is metatarsals. Metacarpals, metatarsals. That is 5 plus 5. In the legs, metatarsals. Phalanges. Again we will be having same word, that is phalanges. That is 14 plus 14. All together, see, we will have first one, one femur, one tibia, one fibia. Refers to 2 and 7 tarsals, 5 metatarsals, 14 phalanges. Means 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 14, 19, sorry, 29. Yes or no? 29. So in that, Here carpals are 8, here tarsals are 7. Yes, so that we have one more called as patella. Remember the word patella bones, also called as knee bone. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So that patella refers to one, that is 28. So 1, 2, 7, 5 and 14 means 14 plus 5, 19, 20, 27, 28, 29. That is so plus 1 patella means 29 plus 1, 30. Refers to, here it is 1 plus 1. Yes, all together. See, we will be having 2, 4, then 7 plus 7, 14, 5 plus 5, 10, then 14 plus 28, plus 1 plus 1, 2. 2 altogether 60. Calculate it. Yes, I mean, till here what we discussed that in case of hand we will be having 60. I mean, in 2 hands we have 60 bones and in 2 legs we have 60 bones. Clear? This is about what? The hands and legs in case of human beings. Now, when you add these two, that 60 plus 60 is equal to 120 bones. Yes or no? 120 bones. So out of, I mean, we need 126 bones. Yes or no? We need 126 bones. So now we done 120, but still we need 6 bones. Yes or no? Yes. So note this. So right now we have 120 bones. Still we need 6 bones. Yes or no? Come to the girdle. In that one is pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle. So that pectoral girdle again which includes clavicle bone. Clavicle bone. So refers to collar bones here. I mean, imagine an individual. Imagine here this consider as clavicle bone attached to the shoulder. So this is considered as clavicle bone. You can check here at this position we will be having the clavicle bone. So again 1 plus 1, right side and left side, this side and this side. So 1 plus 1, this is clavicle. And second one is scapula, that is again 1 plus 1. Scapula means it is a triangle shaped what? The bone. Here it is present at this position. It is considered as scapula. I mean, imagine an individual. Yes, and at dorsal region, I mean at this position, at this particular position, it will be like this. Yes, that considered as scapula bones. So they are again right side and left side. So now to scapula and to clavicle. So 2 plus 2 refers to 4. Now 120 plus 4 is equal to 124. Again we need 2 bones. Now come to the pelvic girdle. So means at the pelvic region. Here we will be having the pelvic region and here we will be having 2 coxal bones. Remember, 2 coxal bones. I mean here. So I can draw the diagrammatic representation. Imagine. Yes or no? Imagine these are the legs. So add the joining. They are considered as coxal bones. Again, the coxal bones are made up of a fusion of 3 bones. One is ilium, ischium, and pubis. Coxal is only one, right side and left side. Coxal bone is formed by fusion of 3 bones. One is ilium, ischium, and pubis. So all together only one bone. Remember, not 3 bones. All together fused with the one bone called as coxal bone. Again there are 2. One is right side and left side. So 124 plus 2 is equal to 126. This is what so called as appendicular bones. I hope you understand this all. Yes. So totally there are 80 axial bones and 126 appendicular bones. So in that which includes limbs. In the limbs, hands and legs. So both 2 hands contain 60 bones 2 legs contain 60 bones. So 60 plus 60, 120, and 2 clavicle bones and 2 scapula bones. 2 plus 2 4, 124 plus 2 clavicle, that is pelvic girdle, called as coxal bone. Means 124 plus 2 is equal to 126. So finally 126 plus 60 together 206. Yes or no? So 126, 186. Is any other? 60 plus 60, 120, 120 plus 80 bones. 126 plus 80 means 6, 10, 2. Totally there are 206 bones are present in the human skeletal system. Clear? So this is 80 means axial. This is axial and this is appendicular. So 126 plus 80 is equal to 206 bones present in the human skeletal system. I hope you understand all these bones present in the human body. Yes? So, and this is enough for today's class, and remaining we have only 3. One is joints. Next we have very good topic, joints, and one more is disorders present in the locomotion and movement, that can be discussed in tomorrow's class. Thank you.